Dear universe, we come together in a world of differences, yet united in our humanity. We pray for understanding, empathy, and compassion to bring in gaps between us. May our words be laced with kindness, our actions be guided by love, and our hearts be open to the beauty of diversity. May love be the language everyone understands. May kindness be the action that unites us. May peace bring the legacy we leave behind. May our differences become the strength of our unity. May we love, kindness, and peace guide us all.